Our first activity of the day is Sound Source. This involves multiple glass bottles to be filled with different volumes of water to create different notes. This is due to the difference of the air in the bottles, making them resonate with different frequencies. The students were given a metal rod to tap the bottles to hear for themselves the difference in sound. We then encouraged our students to try and compose a short tune on the bottles. This was very fun and gave the students an opportunity to see the difference of sounds depending on the density of an object.